This week, we're going to talk about seasonal income. It's some of the smartest income and only happens a few weeks a year. Most people think income's a job. Nah, it's not. Seasonal problems create a temporary demand. Temporary demand creates temporary opportunity. You may already have a lot of the tools to do this work. I enjoy going south for the winter. Sometimes I enjoy, in the springtime, working outside on power equipment repairs. And then I take some time off. I have all the tools, the parts, the knowledge to make a nice boost in my income. And then, when summer comes, I go back to selling things on eBay and count all that money. You can make more money in 2 busy weeks than working a small job all year. How's your health, your strength? You decide to take a seasonal income shot, or sell off your tools for that job, or keep them for your own use. eBay and Marketplace are your friends. Snowblowers, leaf vacuums, chainsaws, pressure washers. Tools plus timing can create income. I do mower prep for the season, oil changing, new filters, plugs, and repairs. Pressure washing of equipment. You decide. I enjoy mower prep like changing oil, tire pressures, filter changing, pressure washing, greasing, sharpening, deck repairs. They drop them off and pick them up, or I do a delivery for a fee by mileage with my little trailer. This lasts about 4 weeks, and I'm done for the summer with a boatload of money in my pocket. Retirees have the advantage. You have flexibility when the demand spikes, flexibility in time, knowledge, and recovery time. Don't look for work. Look for seasonal problems. Solve that short-term problem and reap the rewards. Leaf collection, small jobs for older folks who can't do it anymore. This is also going to give you some social interaction, and that's good for you too. If you're retired or close to it, please subscribe. Check below for the things I use to bring in more income. See you next week.